Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Planet 13. I've talked about them numerous times here on the channel. I have some shares, not that I show here on the channel. I have some in a TD Ameritrade account and some in a Fidelity account. I think my cost basis is $1.80. I wish I would have sold out of it when it hit the $5 or $6 range, but didn't happen. So here's a look at what they've done over the last year. The February 10th, of course, was the high for all MJ stocks at $8.19, and it's just slowly came down ever since then. Here's a look at the last month. So actually was kind of up and down, hit a peak here, came back down. In the last week, almost traded kind of flat other than the dip. Came back up out of the dip, and here's a look today. So currently at $2.76. Bing is showing it as a buy here with a price target of $5.95. Here's a look at what Planet 13 is about. Like I said, I've covered them numerous times, so I'll link those videos in the description. But they're a MJ company based in Nevada, United States. On November 1st, 2018, the company opened its MJ dispensary in Las Vegas. And they're just huge. I call them the Walmart of MJ, so 112,000 square feet. They're just a huge store. Is it too late to invest in this growth stock? Since it's down to these levels, I'm considering buying some more. 2022 could bring out an ample opportunities for growth for the small cap stock. MJ industry witnessed higher sales during the pandemic as many states legalized MJ. At one point, the bigger multi-state operators caught investors' attention. As with evolving industry, the MJ industry is also facing setbacks due to delays in legalization reforms at the federal level. However, one cannot deny the opportunities that lie ahead for the industry. So they're a vertically integrated MJ producer. Might be a smaller company by market cap, but it's playing a serious game. Its central marketing strategy is particular, caught investors' attention. And we'll go ahead and take a look a little bit deeper into Planet 13. So they are considered a superstore strategy, but it has on its map, unlike other MSOs, the company doesn't own many stores, but it does own and operate massive dispensaries that give customers a unique retail experience. In Las Vegas store, its Las Vegas store is the world's largest MJ space, where it sells a wide range of branded products, including edibles, vapes, and MJ extracts. For now, the $480 million market cap company only operates in Nevada and California, but is slowly spreading its area of operation. Recent third quarter revenue increased 45% over the year to $33 million, with positive adjusted earnings before interest, taxation, and depreciation and amortization, or EBITDA, of $3.5 million. Moving slowly towards consistent growth. Being vertically integrated has its perks. Planet 13 controls everything from growing to manufacturing to selling its products. However, the pandemic required lockdowns challenged sales at its stores. Now that restrictions are slowly subduing, the company expects more opportunities for expansion this year. So the California's leading MJ infused beverage company launched its store in Planet 13, which is called CANN, C-A-N-N, in Las Vegas dispensary. Also stated during the Q3 earnings release they plan to open another superstore in Chicago, where they won a dispensary license. Illinois has already been experiencing a dramatic increase in MJ sales ever since it legalized recreational MJ in 2020. Planet 13 has also acquired a Florida license and plans to open multi-neighborhood and superstores in the state. Medical MJ is legal in Florida, and recreational use is still prohibited. Although efforts are ongoing to make MJ available for recreational use as well, it will be interesting to see how customers react. We also have a variety of products in Florida where TrueLeaf, I've talked about them also, is dominating the MJ space with 112 dispensaries. I was just thinking when I read this article about Planet 13 going to Florida that TrueLeaf is already, if the proper word is, saturated in the Florida market, but they do have a lot of stores. TrueLeaf is also a much stronger company with a total revenue of close to $1 billion for the year. Planet 13 will also face competition from MSOs in the state. So, competition is good, so... with the MJ industry expanding and heading toward federal legalization, the superstore strategy of Planet 13, in my view, will prove to be fruitful. The stock has gained 51% over the last 3 years versus a negative 75% return for the widely watched industry bellwether. The Horizons MJ Life Sciences ETF, the way the MJ industry is expanding, experts believe it could double by 2025 and believe Planet 13 stock price will surge more when that happens. So like I said, any time I cover these are a long-term hold and definitely ones to watch and buy the dips, and that's how I kind of do it. Analysts see an upside of 149% for Planet 13 stock for the next 12 months. The company is also trading more than 50% below its 52-week high, making it the right time to buy the dip. So, buy the dip. That's about all I can say. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but you just have to figure that out on your own and buy the dip if that's what you choose to do. But this article kind of goes over announced an impending effectiveness of Form 10 registration statement. So how they anticipate the form to become automatically effective on February 11th of 2022. They're preparing to potentially uplist to a major exchange pending federal legalization. So I've said that on past videos about Planet 13 and TrueLeaf, and there's a couple other one over the counter that I'll link in the description. Cresco Labs, and there's one other one that trades over the counter, and they're all good looking stocks. They're all got revenue, they're positive, but they're still on the trading over the counter, so it would be nice to see all of them uplist. So it'd be nice to see federal legalization as well, but both of them might be a waiting game. But and I have some more information here about the Form 10 registration that's a little bit easier to read. This is dated here today. So their leading integrated Nevada company announced that it had filed an amendment and Form 10 registration statement, the United States Securities SEC, to register common shares, the common shares under Section, and to become automatically effective on February 11th of 2022. This is an important step in preparing to potentially uplist on a major U.S. exchange pending federal legalization. The CEO of Planet 13, as part of registering our common shares with the SEC, we will also be shifting to the U.S. accounting, which will make our financial statements more directly aligned with large U.S. retailers and CPG companies. So they'll be subject to reporting requirements and the Exchange Act, which includes reporting its financial results in accordance. And so there'll be a lot more legalities with the uplisting, but it will be a good thing for the stock, I feel. So they're in Las Vegas, dispensary operations in Orange County in California, Planet 13 holds a medical MJ treatment center license in Florida and 49% interest in Planet 13, Illinois, which won a lottery for a social equity justice involved dispensing license in the Chicago region of Illinois. So definitely be interesting, and like I said, I'm planning to buy some more, especially at these levels. So it's getting close to my original cost basis of $1.80. And so there's Cresco Labs, Columbia Care. I have not covered that one before, but I have Cresco Labs. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $2.81, low of $2.87, high of $8.67. Up $4.20 today, still in the hole. That's fun. We want a slow climb, no gapping please, solid. Juicy threes on the way. And no other information in here than what we've already covered. Over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a buy, and nothing here on tip ranks. So if you currently have Planet 13, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. And like I said, I've covered this one a couple times, so I'll go ahead and link that in the description as well, along with some of my other MJ videos. So here's just a look at their website. I have went over this on other videos, so feel free to pull those up and take a look. And that is it for Planet 13. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.